Rajasthan State Industrial Development Investment Corporation Limited RIIC recruitment for various vacancies. This is the official website. This is the advertisement number. This is dated on 17/10/2021. So recruitment in different disciplines of a deputy manager. The recruitment notification consists of various vacancies. A deputy manager 8 vacancies, a programmer 2 vacancies, assistant engineer, that is site engineer, 49 vacancies, assistant accounts officer grade 2, that is 23 vacancies, junior legal officer 16 vacancies, junior engineer 3 vacancies, assistant programmer 2 vacancies, stenographer 19, draftsman cum tracer 15, and junior assistant 80 vacancies. So this is total 217 vacancies in different posts. So this is basically the Rajasthan government recruitment. So the rest of the states will be considered to be a general category candidates. The remuneration for different vacancies is this way. For deputy manager industrial level 14, pay scale is around 39,300, programmer 31,000, and assistant site engineer civil 26,500, and assistant accounts officer grade 2 26,500, and junior legal officer, junior engineer, so these are all 26,500, and assistant programmer stenographer 23,700 is the pay scale, draftsman cum tracer 18,500, and junior assistant 15,100. The qualification for a deputy manager is a degree from recognized university in engineering with MBA. So the qualification to apply for the deputy manager industrial development or technical is degree in engineering plus MBA required qualification, and except civil engineering. So civil engineers are not cannot apply for this post. For the post of programmer, the eligible criteria is bachelor degree in information technology, computer science engineer, or electronics and communications, or MCA from a recognized university by and also master's degree candidates can also apply. Those who have done master's degree in information technology, computer science, electronics, or communication, so they can apply for the post of programmer. For the post of assistant site engineer, they should have passed a degree in civil engineering with 60% of marks from any university which is recognized by the authorities, that is AICTE. Assistant accounts officer grade 2, the eligibility is become with minimum 60% of marks with certificate course is required in order to apply for this post. Or computer operator, this is also certificate course, the diploma in computer science, some certificate course is required in order to apply for this post. The junior legal officer, the essential criteria is law graduate with minimum 55% of marks, or LLM from any recognized university. So law graduates can also apply for this post. So junior legal officer, those who have done LLM are also eligible to apply for this post. Junior engineer power, the requisite qualification is degree in electrical engineering with 60% of marks. So this is regarding junior engineer power, degree in electrical engineering. For assistant programmer, graduate or a higher degree in computer science, a computer engineer, or computer applications, computer science, electronics and communication, information technology. So these are all the disciplines where you can apply for the post of assistant programmer, or post polytechnic diploma in computer applications, or 3-year diploma in computer engineer, or graduate with diploma in computer science, or graduate with a higher level certificate course in this. So these are all candidates can apply for the post of assistant programmer. For stenographer, you need to have a degree of senior secondary from SSC, and with some certificate course, computer concept by NIE-LIET, so computer operator, or a DPCS certificate course is required. or degree, diploma or certificate computer science course is required to apply for the stenographer. And draftsman come tracer, you need to have a diploma in architecture from any polytechnic from university, and also knowledge on AutoCAD is preferable. For the post of junior assistant, the qualification is SSC, and also for higher level second certificate course conducted by DOEAC, Department of Electronics, or certificate course on computer concept by NIELIT. So those who have done this certificate course are eligible to apply for the post of junior assistant. And also diploma in computer science and engineering from any polytechnic institution can also apply for this post. So this is regarding number of vacancies. The age limit is 18 to 40 years, and relaxation will be only for the Rajasthan candidates. 5 years relaxation for SC/ST, and 5 years for women candidates as well, and 10 years for SC/ST PWD candidates. And there is no age limit for widows and divorcee women. And the last date to apply for this is 13/11/2021 until 11:59 p.m. So this is the last date. The start date has already started, 17/10/2021. So unreserved category, 1000 rupees is the application fees. For OBC candidates, 750. OBC, that too those who belong to Rajasthan, 750 rupees. And for SC/ST, those who belong to Rajasthan, 500 rupees is examination fees. And this is regarding the examination fees and also number of vacancies. Selection procedure will be based on part 1, part 2 and proficiency test. So first part will be 180 written examination, 180 marks. Part 2 will be 270 marks, and total of 450 marks for the post of deputy manager. For the programmer, 180 marks part 1, 270 marks part 2, and there will be additional proficiency test for the programmer, total 550 marks. So the rest of the posts, same is the criteria. Part 1 will be consisting of 180 marks, and part 2 will be consisting of 270 marks, and total of 450 marks. This is the examination criteria for different posts as well. And also for the post of assistant programmer, stenographer, draughtman, junior assistant, there will be proficiency test of 100 marks, total of 550 marks. The only candidates who have obtained a minimum qualifying marks in the scheme of examination shall be eligible for appearing the proficiency test. So out of the eligible candidates, maximum 5 times the candidate in respective vacancies can be called for appearing the proficiency test. So the syllabus for different vacancies will be given in the description. Please do check. Center for the examination and the month. So the date and center of examination will be declared in the due course of time by the authority. So this is regarding Rajasthan State Industrial Development and Investment Corporation Limited, different vacancies.